Sit comfortably with the straight spine. Keep the hands in the lap to begin with, the right hand resting on top of the left with palms facing up. When you feel ready, gently close the eyes or lower your gaze. Come to the breath and stay at home in the body for a few moments here. We begin this practice by bringing the 3 middle fingers, or the 2 fingers, middle finger and the index finger of the right hand, to rest between the eyebrows. First, close the right nostril with the right thumb and exhale completely and slowly through the left nostril. At the bottom of the exhale, inhale deeply and slowly, again through the left nostril. At the top of the inhalation, close the left nostril with the little finger or the ring finger and release the right nostril, exhaling slowly and completely out of the right nostril. Keeping the left nostril closed, inhale deeply and slowly from the right nostril. At the top of the inhalation, close the right nostril with the thumb and release the left nostril, exhaling slowly and completely out. And this is now 1 cycle completed. Inhale again through the left nostril. At the top of the inhale, close and exhale out from the right nostril. Then inhale through the right nostril. Close and exhale out through the left nostril. Continue this cycle at your own pace, breathing in from the same nostril that you exhale from. Allow the breath to become smooth and even as you continue this practice. No forcing, no effort needed. Keep the eyes closed, the fingers gently resting between the eyebrows, not pushing or applying any pressure. The shoulders are relaxed down and the spine is upright as the head is held straight. As you breathe, let the mind turn to the sensation of the air entering and exiting each nostril. Notice the sensation around the nostril. Notice the depth of the breath. Notice the speed. And perhaps even the temperature of the air. This breathing technique brings balance and clarity with each cycle. Can you feel it? When you feel ready to complete your practice, end with an exhale from the left nostril. Then slow down the breath and release both nostrils. Take a few natural breaths here and notice how it feels in the body. Notice any sensations internally and externally on the skin. When you are ready to come back to your day and return to your space, feel the entirety of the body resting on the chair or the floor. And then you can open the eyes slowly and gently come back to your space.